Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the class 10th Democratic Politics, our lesson political parties, and our topic is going on challenges of the political parties. This is the very important topics, and we are going to discuss the last two challenges of the political parties. The challenges which we are going to discuss, growing importance of money and muscle power, and second challenge, lack of clear cut ideology, that we can better understand with your books. The meaningful choice means in many of the areas where the lack of clear cut ideology or meaningful choice are losing day by day. Let's we just proceed the lesson. In the first, we just discuss the third challenge, growing importance of the money and muscle power. Means many of the political parties, they just give the ticket to rich man, means businessman, and traders, and many of the other kind of the people. Second, they also allot the ticket to criminal background people. So why the political parties, they are just giving the ticket to these two type of the person? Because the political parties have the kind of confidence to win the election, and this is the process of shortcut winning, that the political parties are assessing day by day. That is the very common feature which has been seen in mostly the all countries in the world, where the, you will say, the honest person, the kind of person who can follow the all kind of the rules and regulations, that person are not very dearly to come in the politics, are not very dearly to join in the politics. So these kind of the absence of these honest people who have not a kind of the lot of interest to join in the politics, so these are the gaps in the political parties. So very you will say eagerly they just give this ticket to the people who have the kind of potential to win the elections. Actually these two type people, they can influence the public, means they can influence the voter, means public, means what the shortcut they can apply, means sometimes they just greed to the poor people, or over sometimes it has been heard that over the 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, some people has been just given the kind of greediness to just cast their vote for the particular person, because the poor people have not kind of the acknowledgement, they have not kind of the, you will say, to assess the valuable things, so they just ready over these kind of the, you will say, deal, and they just ready to cast their vote. And second thing, that in our country many of the political parties, they have allotted the ticket to these criminals. We have a lot of big records also. Even Phulan Devi, she was the decade, and she offered from the very prestigious political parties of the country for contesting the elections, and even she won the election also. Even the same person who also got the opportunity from the other parties, but these persons have not the good life in the, I will say, politics. Even sometimes we have seen that this person has been shooted by their enemies. So these are some records which shows that the politics, if the democracy, if they involve these kind of the people who have not the good record in their career, obviously they will affect the democracy of the country. Means they will affect first the politics, then they affect the democracy. Obviously these kind of the people has been increasing day by day, and many of the times it has been seen also the businessmen, the traders, and many of the richest people from their families, they just you will say give the money, huge money to the political parties to just ensure the rules and regulation and laws and policies in favor of their business. So this kind of the lobbies of the businessmen has been increasing day by day. Even sometimes they also just involve in the pressure groups, and they just pressurize the government also. So in such a way the political parties which have a lot of interest to just give the importance of these groups, they just ready over some issues, and they just allotted their tickets to these people, these background people. And in such a way what we have seen, the condition of the democracy has been declining day by day. If the value people, if the will say good character people are missing in the democracy, obviously that you will say the cleanliness of the politics will be missing. And if the cleanliness the politics will be missing, then what we will see that democracy have not a kind of the good worth, and good worth if it is not there, then obviously the democratic principle will be also disappear in the government. So what we have to do, we will discuss all these kind of the overcomes our next lecture. Now I will discuss the next challenge, lack of clear cut ideology. Means I will say meaningful choice. What the meaningful choice means, many of the political parties, they have not the very clear cut ideology, they have not the clear cut manifestos, they have not the clear cut declaration at the time when they just contesting the elections. So that times they have to give their manifesto, means their you will say policies and program, on what basis they are just contesting the elections. So that time it has been found, it has been seen that their motives or the mottos are not very clear cut with each other. Even sometimes it has been seen that on the economic areas, on the economic background, where their policies are not very clear. Means how do they just eliminate the poverty in the country, how do they just bring the policies for the will say development for the country. So all these things are missing. And second thing, in the first not very clearly in their declaration. Means that is called the Chunavi Ghoshna Patra, declaration paper. Second things, some leader keep changing the party. As we have seen, many of the leaders in recent times have just changed the parties. So voters have not the new faces in front of themselves, they have the old faces, and these faces just keep changing the parties. So the voters have not the clear cut ideology about the political parties. All the voters of the country have the only one tendency to know all the parties, because all the you will say mostly the some person in the political parties, they just kept on changing. So in such a way the voters have not the clear cut ideology in favor of the parties. So in such a way only the one party have the clear cut majority, but they have not the good scope in the democracy in the country. Means they have not the you will say large welcomed in the democracy in the country, as we have seen in the Conservative Party in Britain and their rivals party, where they have not the very clear cut will say ideology. What are the differences over themselves? They have the only differences how do they just implement it. Means they have the same thing, all the features are same, but they have the only one slight difference, how do they just implement it, how do they just formalize it. So these are some, you will say, slight differences has been found in the all political parties in the world, and this is not a good features of the political parties. Means they have to show them very differently among the voters, so that the voter have a very wide range to just assess the party in such a way. The clear cut majority, if it is presented among the voters, then voter have a very wide range of choosing their parties in the election while they are just casting their vote. So student, I hope you are getting all these lecture very clearly, and they are just also making your understanding with the challenges and in the lesson also. If any problem, you can comment. So student, if any problems, you can comment, and further we will just discuss the different political parties as a national level, as a state level. But in the next video we will see how do the parties are you'll say identified by the election commissions. So all these video lecture, if they are very good for you, you can comment, and you can also try to share and try to subscribe video, so that I can be also encouraged to make more good videos, and it in such a way it will also encourage me as well as you also encouraged by getting the good videos. So student, thank you for listening me, thank you for watching me.